This is our new travel agent. We tried to book our ticket here to go to Luang Prabang, and we were supposed to be here at 10:30, and obviously we were like 10 minutes early, and the guy was confused, and then he said, well, then he called someone, and he said,
it's like, come back in 40 minutes.
And like, we have all of our stuff, we're checked out, where are we going to go for 40 minutes? So we sat here, and there was someone sleeping in that bed, watching TV, and the guy was also here. Oh, there he is.
Wait, did he just leave on his motorbike?
He's back on his motorbike.
Go up here?
We have to go on his motorbike now. Wish us luck.
Oh, you're gonna go and we'll stay here. Should we stay here?
I think he wants us to get on his motorbike.
You go get on the motorbike then, I guess.